Wisdom comes from reflecting on our experiences. Cherish the lessons learned from mistakes, they shape your character. Embrace change as a constant in life. Success often follows the path of perseverance. Cultivate empathy to better understand others. The stories we tell ourselves define our reality. Find meaning in both triumphs and tribulations. Respect diverse perspectives, they enrich our understanding. Challenge your assumptions, growth happens at the edge of comfort. Authenticity fosters genuine connections with others. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.